Your liver might be screaming for help, and you may not even realize it. Constant fatigue, stubborn belly fat, poor digestion, and even bad skin. These could be signs your liver is overloaded with toxins. Welcome back to the Mind Hunters. In this video, we'll show you how to naturally detox your liver in just 7 days with science-backed, simple lifestyle changes. No gimmicks, no expensive cleanses, just real tips your body will thank you for. Let's dive in. The liver is your body's natural filter. It processes everything, from the food you eat to the toxins you breathe in. But when it's overwhelmed, it starts sending warning signals. Before we discuss the cleansing process, it's important to identify crucial warning signs of liver damage. The most ignored sign is persistent fatigue. Even after a full night's sleep, you feel drained. That's because a toxic liver makes your body work overtime to function. Unexplained weight gain or belly fat also warns about liver health. Toxins disrupt metabolism and promote fat storage, especially around your abdomen. If you feel frequent bloating or indigestion, your liver might be sending you signals because the liver helps digest fat through bile production. When it's sluggish, digestion slows, leading to bloating or constipation. Don't ignore itchy skin or rashes. Toxins that aren't processed by the liver may exit through your skin, causing irritation or eczema-like symptoms, yellowing of skin or eyes. This is a serious warning sign of liver dysfunction and bilirubin buildup. Seek medical attention if you notice this. Brain fog or mood swings are another common sign of the liver dysfunction. The liver affects hormone and neurotransmitter balance. A toxic liver can leave you feeling foggy, irritable, or even depressed. If you identify with 2 or more of these symptoms, your liver may need support. Now it's time to discuss how to naturally detoxify your liver. The liver is capable of detoxing itself, but only if you give it the right environment. Here's a science-backed plan to gently and naturally detox your liver in just 7 days. Number 1, start your day with warm lemon water. It kickstarts digestion and bile flow, hydrates your liver, and provides vitamin C. Lemon polyphenols improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat accumulation around it. Number 2, start adding turmeric to your daily meals. Curcumin reduces liver inflammation and oxidative stress. It also boosts glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. Try golden milk or add turmeric to curries and smoothies. Number 3, drink dandelion root tea. It promotes bile flow and reduces liver congestion. Dandelion root also acts as a mild diuretic, helping your liver flush out toxins. Studies show dandelion also improves liver enzyme levels. Number 4, eat cruciferous vegetables. Include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies contain sulforaphane, which activates phase 2 liver detox enzymes. They help your liver neutralize and eliminate harmful chemicals. Number 5, add milk thistle, also known as silymarin. It protects liver cells and helps regenerate damaged tissue. Silymarin is proven to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 6, avoid sugar and alcohol. Sugar and alcohol are 2 of the worst enemies for your liver. Even a short 7-day break gives your liver time to heal. Excess sugar is converted into fat in the liver, leading to fatty liver disease. And last, sleep, hydrate, and move. Sleep. The liver detoxes most effectively between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Hydrate. Drink 8-10 glasses of water to flush toxins. Exercise. 30 minutes of light activity improves blood flow and lymph drainage. Stick to this plan, and in just 1 week, your liver will be better equipped to do what it was designed to do: cleanse, filter, and heal. Your liver is your body's silent hero, working 24/7 to keep you alive and healthy. So give it what it needs: hydration, nutrition, rest. Try this 7-day detox plan and let your body thank you in energy, digestion, and glow. Drop a comment if you're starting today, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching.